What time is it, my creatives? That's right, it's photo hacking time. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the 60 Bling It On Photoshop styles and how to open them. Now, if you already know how to open a WinMAR file, you can skip this video. This video is going to be no less than 3 minutes because we're just going to learn how to open a file in Photoshop and how to navigate through it. Believe it or not, there are some people who are not able to do this, so I'm going to help them with that. So we're going to minimize Photoshop, and if you download a file, it should look like a little bookcase. Yours may look a little different than mine depending on which file processor you have to open your files. There's 7-zip, there's WinZip, there's all different, file openers, but when you receive a download, it's usually going to be in your downloads, and you can find that by coming here and typing downloads in the little search at the bottom of your windows. Okay, so how to open this, you're just going to right click and extract to Bling It On PS Styles, and your PS Styles should be here. What you will receive in this file folder is you're going to receive this, which is an ASL file. Those are the styles. You're going to receive a brush pack, and these are JPEGs. So these JPEGs can be opened in any program. Now, the reason why I included some of the JPEGs in here, I do know that some of you may not have a copy of Photoshop. However, if you're trying to recreate the styles and the effects, they're not able to be recreated in other programs using the effects that I'm using. They're specifically to Photoshop, and you'll need a copy of Photoshop CS6 to open this. So to open these, all you have to do is double click on them. Okay, 1, 2, and it will open them. Now I've already opened these, so they're going to just open them again, double click. And then you may not see these at first. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to Window and Styles and open your Styles palette. Now, this is my styles palette. I have more than just the styles in here because I've been working on some other projects in here. You just saw my Nevermore project that I'm working on, which has to do with Edgar Allan Poe. So you got a little sneak peek of that. You weren't supposed to see that. All right, so these are all the Bling It On styles here. And it's going to say Bling It On styles, and you have access to them. So the brushes are the same. They're going to go to Windows, Brushes, and they're going to be located in your brush palette. So if you click on your brushes and you go to here's all the sparkle brushes. They'll be in here, and basically what these are, they're just sparkles. Of course, you'll need a white brush here, and these are just sparkles. Okay, so that is basically how you open the files. And if you actually download this from Etsy, you're going to get a link inside a TXT file. And what I mean by that is that I'm going to show you this. This is a text file. It's going to say open me, or if I can spell. It's going to say open me, download link inside. You're going to see a link. So link.com/yourlink. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy that link. And then you're going to double click to open up your browser. And then you're going to paste that link in the browser, not in Google, in your browser, and then hit enter. And of course, this is just a fake link, so it's not going to download, but it should download, and then you can find that in your downloads right here. So that is the gist of how to use this file. Next, we're going to discuss commercial and personal use. And we're going to be recreating some of the cover photos that I had created for this particular set. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.